Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream and onion masala at home. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth cooking experience. This easy method ensures a rich and aromatic dish that's perfect for any meal. We will cover everything from the basic components to the final touches, making sure you can recreate this delicious recipe with confidence and ease. To begin, you'll need 2 large onions, thinly sliced for even cooking. For that signature creaminess, ensure you have 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Don't forget your essential spices: turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. A small amount of ginger garlic paste adds depth. Finally, 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee will be perfect for sautéing our ingredients. Start by heating the oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Add the finely sliced onions and sauté them patiently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Next, incorporate the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Then, add all your powdered spices along with a small splash of water, stirring well to form a thick masala. Cook until the oil begins to separate. Once the masala is cooked, reduce the heat to low and gently stir in the fresh cream. Mix it thoroughly until it's well combined with the onion mixture. Let it simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully without boiling. Finally, garnish your delicious cream and onion masala with fresh coriander leaves. Serve it hot alongside your favorite roti, naan, or steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.